Once you've chosen your tracker products, booking your installation couldn't be easier. Select a date that suits you and choose any UK address for installation. Have your tracker fitted with your local dealership, at your home or at your workplace. Our dedicated installation team will then call you back to confirm the installation booking. On the day, you will be allocated your personal FITAS accredited tracker installer. Our booking team will call in advance to give you an accurate installation time slot. Your tracker installation will be carried out by one of our FITAS accredited installers to ensure the utmost care is taken. And for added peace of mind, your vehicle will be given a thorough pre- and post-vehicle inspection. Once installation is complete, you will be given a welcome pack and an explanation of how your new tracker system works. Once your tracker is fitted, your vehicle is now protected. Whatever you drive, Tracker is by your side.